For number 15, it says that we need to determine whether the lines AB and line CD are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. So for this one, I'm going to use a slope formula. If you need a reminder of the slope formula, this is the slope formula. Okay, and then I would label my points. So this would be x1, y1, x2, y2. And then to find the slope, we would just... So for the y's, I would do -5 minus a -1. And for the x's, I'm going to do 2 minus 3. Double negative is a plus, so that's -4 over -1, and that reduces to a +4. Okay, so again, label our points and plug into the formula. So 7 minus 4 and -6 minus a -2. So plus there. So 7 minus 4 is 3. -6 plus 2 is -4. Well, that can't reduce or divide, so we have a -3/4. And -3/4 and 4 are not the same. They are also not opposite reciprocals, so these are neither parallel or perpendicular. For number 16, this one's already in slope-intercept form, so this is my slope right here. Over here, I need to put it into slope-intercept form. So I'm going to subtract 6x to both sides. Get 7y equals -6x plus 8. Then divide everything by 7 to get y by itself. And I'm left with that equation there. Y equals -6/7 x plus 8/7. So I look at the m and I compare. It's exactly the same. So this has to be parallel. For number 17, we have the slope as 3/5. Says we need a parallel line to point 70, and it needs to be in slope-intercept form. So first, I'm going to go ahead and plug it into point-slope form, because I have a point and a slope. So I've got y minus 0, m is 3/5, x minus 7. Okay, so now for this part, this is just y, because the 0, it just goes away. We don't even need that. And then I distribute, and 3/5 times x is 3/5 x. And then 3/5 times -7 is going to be a negative, but all you have to do is multiply the numerators, because this is like over 1. So 3 times 7 is 7, and 5 times 1 is 5. You could think of it as like 7 over 1 right there. Okay, so now this is my equation in slope-intercept form. It is parallel to this line because they have the same slope. Okay. Number 18 there at the top, it says write the equation of a line in point-slope form that is perpendicular to y equals 1/3 x plus 8 and passes through the point -6, 7. So for this one, we have our slope 1/3. We need to get the opposite reciprocal because it's perpendicular. So my new m would be 3 over 1, which is 3, but it needs to be the opposite sign, which is negative. Okay? And then my point is x1, y1, and I need to plug that back in to point slope form. So y minus y1 is 7, m, my new m is -3, and then x minus a -6. And we should know that two negatives make a positive, and we need to leave it because it says in the point slope form. So we're going to leave this solution as our answer.